Thanks, Chris. I want to thank you and your team and everybody for putting on this awesome event. This has been fantastic. And Tint, we really appreciate everybody that came by the booth to talk with us. For anybody that didn't, or anybody who isn't familiar with us, we're a full automotive styling center. We do a lot more than just window tint. The car that we have out here, we custom did everything in there. Car stereos, remote start, security, graphics, even a lot of performance accessories. And we're located about 5 minutes from here. So anybody who's local in the area, feel free to come by and check out our showroom anytime. We've been giving out coupons and all kinds of great stuff at our tents all day. So if you haven't stopped by yet, before we pack it up, definitely come and stop by and grab something. For everybody that came by and entered to win our contest, we're going to be giving away either a free tint job, or if you already have tint on your car, you can get a free security system added to your vehicle. So we'll let the winners choose.
Tint World, Longwood on Ronald Reagan Boulevard. Visit tintworld.com.